As you can see here, the console lifts up and the structure stays bolted to the vehicle. You want to make sure that your floor goes underneath that portion and not in between the structure and the console. So our troublesome area was right here. This was lifted up. So you'll see here that there's a series of clips. Here's our issue. This area was not lining up and was pushed down. This clip is bent over and is almost broken off, whereas this one's completely broken off. If the fit is not tight around this area, it's going to be these front rectangles right here. That's where these two clips go into. If you have an issue around the cup holder, especially around the back edge, it's going to be these two plus this little guy over here. And that matches up with those three. If that valley is an issue where these two are missing on this one, that's going to be right here. So I'm going to clip these down. Now everything seems to be in the proper position. It needs to go straight down. Now this one does have two broken clips down here, so this isn't going to fit tight, but you see how that cup holder is tight there? And we have about a paper thickness gap around the shifter surround.